Well, there's a news coming from lenders where banks are offering higher interest rates on the deposits. So this aims to increase the retail deposit base for the banks as well. So bank can offer deposit ranging between 6.90 to 7.30%. And obviously the deposit rates can range and are ranging from 25 to 30 basis points. Also, this step came after the RBI governor had a meeting with the CEOs of banks, and they have decided that banks should narrow the gap between the credit and the deposit growth as well. Some of the banks have already started taking steps, and we'll walk you through which banks have taken what steps. Starting from SBI, SBI has put an interest of 7.25% for 444 days. Secondly, Bank of Baroda has put 7.25% of interest for 399 days. Third, Bank of Maharashtra has put 7.15% of interest for 666 days. Last but not least, Union Bank of India has interest of 7.25% for 399 days. So some banks have already started hiring their interest of deposits as well, and some banks are also offering additional 50 basis points for the senior citizens. So this is to bridge the gap between the growth and the deposit rates which are coming. Just to alert you, the latest report of RBI showed that the bank credit rose 14% year on year on June 28, while deposit rose only 11%. Whereas the deposit ratios were less than the credit growth, they decided to higher the deposit rate so that they can bridge the gap between the credit and the deposit growth. So this is a step taken by the bank as to increase the deposit-based customers.